Hello students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lux International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, playing with numbers of class 8th mathematics. First we will see generalized form of numbers. So this you already studied in your previous classes, how we can write in the expanded form as well as in the exponential form. So here you can see, first you have to express them in, suppose 37852 is given here. Now first you have to write 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 2. Now how we can write 30,000? 3 into 10 to the power 4, because there are 4 zeros, so we can write 10 to the power 4. Now 7,000, so we can write 7 into 10 to the power 3, because there are 3 number of zeros. 8 into 10 to the power 2, because there are 2 zeros. So 5 into 10 to the power 1, because there is 1 zero, plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Why we write 10 to the power 0? Because if any number has power 0, we get only one value, so 2 into 1 will be there. So like this we can write in exponential form. Now this is the generalized form. Suppose we have a number with the digit a in the tens place and b place, where a and b are whole numbers. We can write it as a into 10 plus b. This is generalized form of number. We will see in the questions for better explanation. Now divisibility of numbers. Divisibility by 2. We know that ABC, so a into 100 plus b into 10 plus c, so 10a plus 10b plus 10c. Now here you can see the remainder is c. C is also divisible by 2. Then we can say that ABC is also divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is divisible by 2. The number is divisible by 2 which its last digit is divisible by 2. So these are the rules you have to read. So on the basis of this only you can solve the exercise. We will move forward. Now we will solve exercise 5.1. Question number 1. The following numbers are divisible by 3. Give the possible value of a, b or c in the number. Now our question is a, 8, 3. Now here we have to find the value of a, b and c. So the sum of all the digits must be divisible by 3. If sum of all digits must be divisible by 3, then also the number will also divisible by 3. Now we have a plus 8 plus 3. These are the given number. A plus 8 plus 3. So a plus 8 plus 3, that is 11. Now near 11, which number is there which is divisible by 3? That is 12. So a equals to 12 minus 1, that is 1. So a value is 1. Now one more we will see, a plus 11. We will take 15 value also. So when you will take 15, you will get 15 minus 11, you will get 4 also. Now a plus 11, 18. So you will get 18 minus 11, you will get 7. So in this way you just have to find the values. Okay. Now in the same manner you have to solve these questions. Now we will see question number 2. The following numbers are divisible by 6. The possible value of a, b or c in the numbers. Question number 1. 8, 1, b, 4. The number is divided by 2 and 3. So it is also divisible by 6. Now you can see here 8, 1, b, 4. Now you can see in unit place means last place or ones place there is 4, and you know if at the unit place there is even number, so the number is divisible by 2. Now we have to see the divisible by 3. So for that you have to add the numbers. So we have 8 plus 1 plus b plus 4. You will get 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4, that is 13. So b plus 13. Now near it, which number is there which is divisible by 3? That is 15. So b equals to 15 minus 13, that is 2. We will get one value 2. Now next, which value? 13 plus b. Now we will see 18. So 18 minus 13, that is 5. 5 is also answer. Now we will see 13 plus b equals to 21 is there. So b equals to 21 minus 13, you will get 8. So 8 is also our answer. So in this way you have to solve second question. Now question number 3rd, the following numbers are divisible by 9. Give the possible values of a, b or c in the numbers. 8, 5, b, 6. Again you have to find the value of a, b and c. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. Now you can see, first we will see the sum of all digits is divisible by 9 or not. So 8 plus 5 plus b plus 6. Now 8 plus 5, that is 13. 13 plus 6, that is 19. So b plus 19. Now 19, which is the nearest number? 8 and then 18 and then one more 27. So we will write 27. So 27 minus 9, you will get 8. So b equals to 8 is our answer. You can check 8, 5, 8, 6 also divisible by 9. So like this you have to solve this question. We will see second question also. 9, 8, 3c plus 8 plus 3 plus c. Now that is 17 plus 3, that is 20 plus c. Now near 20 again 27. So 27 you have to write. C equals to 27 minus 20, 7. 7 is answer. Very easy questions. Now question number 4, the following numbers are divisible by 15. Give the possible value of a, b or c in the numbers. Now again you have to find the value of a, b and c. So first question is 24b5. A number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by 3 and 5. So you can see, we have to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or 5 or not. So you can see in the unit place or at the last place there is 5. So at the number, this number is divisible by 5. Why? Because any number which has 5 and 0 at the last place or the unit place, that number will be the divisible by 5. Now we have to see the number is divisible by 3 or not. So we will solve this. 2 plus 4 plus b plus 5. Now 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 5, 11 plus b. Now near which number is divisible by 3? That is 12. So b equals to 12 minus 11, 1, 1. Now next 11 plus b. After 12, 15, b equals to 4. Now 11 plus b again. After 15 there is 18 also. So b equals 18 minus 11, you will get 7. 7 is also. So like this you have to solve. Now question number 5, without dividing write the remainders when the following numbers are divided by 5. So the number which has 5 and 0 at the unit place is divisible by 5. Now you can see there is 6, 3, 8. So you just have to check the last number. Here which number is there? 8. Now 8 is greater than 5. So you just have to subtract 8 minus 5. What the number will be? 3. So 3 is our answer. Now 4, 1, 9, 2. So 2 is less than 5. So 2 will be the answer. Here 3 will be the answer. 1 will be the answer. 2 will be the answer. Now question number 6, without dividing write the remainder when the following numbers are divided by 9. Question number 1, 8, 2, 3. We have to find out the remainder. So how we can find the after divided by 9, how much remainder will be remaining? So 8 plus 2 plus 3. What will be the answer? That is 30. Now you have to subtract the number which is smaller than divisible by 9. Nearest number you can see 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. So you have to subtract 9 ones are 9. 13 minus 9, you will get 4. 4 will be the answer. So like this you have to solve question number 6. Now question number 7, find the value of the letters in the following sum. Now this is a very easy question. You can see 2, 5a, 1, 8, 6a. Now which number we have to see, which number we will write in the place of a to get here 0. We know 6 plus 4. Here is the addition sign. So 6 plus 4 equals to 0. So 0 we have to write here. 0 is already given here. So 0, 1 here. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4. Here also 4. Now 14 carry 1. 2, 1. Here also 4. So 4, 4, 4. A equals to 4. Now here we have to find out the value of P. P 6 plus 2, that is 8. Here also 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So carry 1. Here 5. So n equals to 5 and p equals to 8 will be the answer. Now here 5 plus 2, that is 7. Now 4. Now you have to see, when you will add 6 here, you will get 0 and 1 carry. 3, 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6. So m equals to 6 and g equals to 7. This will be the answer. Now question number 8, find the value of the letters in the following sums. Now in the same way you have to solve for multiplication. The answers are given here. Now we will see our next topic, that is magic square. Magic square is, you already studied about magic squares earlier. A magic square could have 3 into 3 9 numbers, or 4 into 4 16 numbers, or even more. In a magic square, vertical column, horizontal row and diagonal add up to same number. Two example of magic square are shown below. Means we have to fill the values in this manner, the vertical column or the horizontal row. Means the sum of this one and this one diagonal, this will be the same. Suppose 4 plus 14, 18, 18 plus 12, that is 30. Now 4 plus 18, that is 22, 22 plus 8, again 30. Now 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 16, 30. So like this you have to arrange the numbers. Now number sequence means you just have to find the difference and you have to write the next term. Now on the basis of this we will solve exercise number 5.2. Question number 1, complete the following magic square. Now here you can see the numbers are given here. Now you have to put the numbers to get the horizontal or vertical sum is same. So 6 plus 11 plus 10, you will get 27. Now 6 plus 13, that is 19. 19 plus 8, again 27. Now you can check diagonal also, you will get 27. So like this you have to arrange the number. Question number 2 is also same. Here you can see there is 3 into 3 boxes, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now here there is 4 into 4 magic square boxes, 4 rows and 4 columns. Now question number 3, use 4 fours to write 3 and 5. How we can write 3 using 4 4s? So 4 plus 4 divided by 4 plus 4 root 4. This will be the answer. How it came? You can see 4 divided by, you will get 1 plus. Now 4 as it is. Now root 4. What you will get the value of root 4? 2. So 1 plus 4 divided by 2, 2. 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Now For 5, again 4 plus root 4 minus 4 divided by 4. 4. Now root 4 equals to 2. Now minus 4 divided by 4, 1. You will get 6 minus 1. You will get 5. So like this you have to write these terms. Now use 5 fours to write 11. How we can write? 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 4 divided by 4. You can see 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. 12 minus 1, that is 11. Now question number 5. Find the pattern in the following sequence and write the next 3. Now in question you can see 2, 7, 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. Now you have to write next 3 terms. Now how you can find what will be the next term? You can see after 2 which number is there? 7. So how many numbers we add between them? 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 5 8, 5 also added here. Here also 5 added. 12 plus 5, that is 17. 17 plus 5, that is 2. Now 25, 27. Now 27 plus 5, 32. Now 32 plus 5, 37. So this will be your answer. Now in second question, 6, 16, 6. Now here how many numbers are added? You can see 6. How many number we add to get 16? 10. 16, then 26, again 10, again 10. Now what will be the next number? 46. 46 plus 10, 56. 56 plus 10, 66. Now here question number 3rd, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Means here we doubled the number. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, 32. Now 32 plus 32, 64, 64 plus 64, 128, 128 plus 128, 256. So like this you have to solve these questions. Now here we have completed exercise number 5.1 and 5.2. Now in the next video we will start our next exercise. Till that you have to solve this question and practice them. Thank you and have a nice day.